Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The Best Kids Books is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding ways to foster a lifelong love of reading in your children, offering them endless adventures, knowledge, and imagination right at their fingertips without costing a fortune. Number 5. Dover How to Draw, Easy Step-by-Step Drawings. Discover the joy of drawing with our easy-to-follow guide. Perfect for beginners, it breaks down complex subjects into simple steps. Learn fundamental techniques that will build your confidence. You'll be creating impressive artwork in no time. Each lesson provides clear, sequential instructions. Follow along and see your skills develop with every page. Explore a variety of drawing subjects, from animals to landscapes. There's something for everyone to enjoy and master. Whether you're a child or an adult, this book is designed to make drawing accessible and fun. Start your artistic journey today. What we like. This is a fantastic resource for aspiring young artists. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions that make drawing accessible even for the youngest beginners. If you have a child who loves to doodle and wants to improve their drawing skills in a fun and engaging way, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Uses eye-hand coordination, following patterns and implied directions, improves pencil skills without being letters. Lots of fun while learning that doesn't feel like instruction. This book excels as a way to show children that drawing is not hard. It demonstrates by breaking down the necessary steps to draw. Good book. Very simple instructions and demonstrates step-by-step for kids. Easy to follow. Number 4. KOKODI Talking Pen Book Sets. Introducing the KOKODI Talking Pen Book Set, an interactive audio learning experience for children aged 2 to 6. It's designed for independent play, making learning fun and engaging. Simply tap the pen on any image or word, and it comes to life with sound and speech. This intuitive design helps children develop essential language and logical thinking skills through games and activities. Explore a vast library of over 450 words, 300 sound effects, and 500 interactive games across 22 themes. With thousands of touch read positions and pure American English pronunciations, learning is always exciting. This talking learning toy provides hours of independent play, whether at home or on the go. It's a fantastic way to reduce screen time and build reading confidence with engaging character voices and activities. Created by educators, this toy is an excellent tool for children with autism and speech disorders, fostering language acquisition and healthy habits. It's a smart investment in their early learning journey. The built-in recording function allows parents to leave voice messages, strengthening the bond with their children and ensuring they always feel connected. Made with eco-friendly materials, these books are tear-proof, crease-resistant, and safe for little hands. Its lightweight design makes it the perfect travel companion for learning anywhere. What we like. This interactive talking pen book set offers a unique learning experience. It brings stories to life with audio, sounds, and games, significantly aiding speech development. If you're looking for a way to reduce screen time while keeping your child engaged and learning, especially if they benefit from auditory input or you want to leave personalized messages, this is an excellent option. What people say. The talking pen works anywhere on the page, making it very interactive. It's a multifunctional set that combines art, vocabulary, and nursery rhymes seamlessly. The books have a good number of words and games that he can play, and he loves the songs included in the Mother Goose books. The pen is easy for toddlers to use too and seems to have good battery life so far. The sound is clear and has variety of volumes. The set is a wonderful way to introduce basic concepts, English words, and even nursery rhymes. It makes learning interactive and engaging, which is exactly what a curious preschooler needs. The audio sound books and games keep her attention far longer than traditional books or screen time. Number 3. 100 words kids need to read by first grade. Unlock your child's reading potential with essential sight words. This program is designed to build a strong foundation for early literacy success. Help your child master the 100 most important words they need to read by first grade. Consistent practice makes reading feel natural and fun. Watch their confidence soar as they recognize words instantly. This leads to smoother reading and a greater love for books. Specifically curated for children entering or in first grade. It provides the targeted practice needed to excel in reading. Our method makes learning sight words simple and effective. Turn reading practice into an enjoyable daily activity. Give your child the gift of strong reading skills. This is a crucial step towards academic achievement and lifelong learning. What we like. This book focuses on the foundational sight words crucial for early reading success. It's designed to build strong reading fluency and prepare children for first-grade academics. If your child is just starting to read or needs extra practice with common words, this is an invaluable tool for building confidence and independence. What people say. My son is learning to read. This book is a great tool in assisting him to reach his goal. We begin every lesson by repeating words in groups on the first page, and then do a couple of pages of tasks. The reading sessions are 20 to 30 minutes, so it is not overwhelming for him and not boring for me. My daughter is now reading and is excited by reading. She asks to work through the book. She enjoys it and she completes tasks that have her identify words. It's very basic, but it's a beginning and gives her a fantastic sense of accomplishment. Used as a small, but very helpful aid 2 weeks before kindergarten started. He ended up at the top of his game, confident and ready to tackle reading in school. He has moved on from sight words entirely, with a quicker grasp of encountering and understanding new words. Number 2. Silent Touch Clip-On Book Lamp. Experience personalized lighting with 3 distinct color temperatures and precise brightness control. Save your favorite settings with the memory function, ensuring your perfect ambience every time you read. Navigate through all functions with a simple, silent touch. Its minimalist design ensures you can adjust your light without disturbing anyone around you, making it an ideal reading companion. Charge it anywhere with the built-in USB port. Enjoy hours of reading on a single charge, perfect for uninterrupted reading sessions. Adjust the head and clip to direct light exactly where you need it. It's lightweight and versatile, serving as a desk lamp, flashlight, or your go-to-travel reading light. This thoughtfully designed reading light makes an excellent gift for friends, kids, and any avid reader. It's the ideal present for those who cherish their reading time. What we like. This book light is designed for comfortable, eye-friendly reading. With adjustable color temperatures and brightness, it ensures a pleasant reading experience in any environment. If you or your child enjoys reading at night without disturbing others, or if you need a portable, rechargeable light for travel, this silent, touch-controlled lamp is an ideal companion. What people say. It's compact and I love that the charger is built right into it. One charge has lasted me about a week. I like that it has the 3 different light settings, especially the soft light makes it easier on my husband when I'm reading in bed. It slides onto the back of a book really easy. I was nervous about that part because I couldn't tell how it went on a book in the pictures, but it works great. It's adjustable both full body and the small light part. The charge lasts long and is not in the way at all when I'm reading. I like that there are 3 different light modes because I'm a big fan of the natural light, and don't use LED whenever possible. It doesn't weigh my book down either, very lightweight. It has 3 different light settings that you could use. It's small and lightweight and is flexible for however position you want to read. Number 1. I want to be a doctor. Have you ever imagined helping people feel better? This story is about a special dream. It's a dream about becoming a doctor. Follow along as our young hero explores what it's like to be a doctor. You'll see the exciting tools and the important work they do. This book is perfect for children aged 4 to 8. It's designed to be easy to read and understand, making learning fun. Reading this story can help children imagine themselves in new roles. It encourages them to think about their future and what they can achieve. Spark their imagination and introduce them to a noble profession. It's a wonderful way to start conversations about careers and helping others. With its simple language and engaging story, it's an I can read level 1 book. This means it's great for children just beginning to read independently. What we like. This book introduces children to the world of careers in an engaging story format. It's perfect for early readers and promotes positive role models. If you want to spark your child's imagination about future professions and encourage their reading journey with relatable characters, this is a wonderful choice for ages 4 to 8. What people say. The books are well written and engaging for young readers. This collection offers a great variety of stories suitable for different age groups. The illustrations are vibrant and add to the overall reading experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.